Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, you're probably watching this because you watched my past TikTok shop video. First of all, thank you so much for the love on that video. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel because of that video. So I thought it was only right to do a how to actually start your TikTok shop video, because once again, Shannon comes to the rescue because there's not that much UK content about setting up TikTok shop and all about TikTok shop. So here I am to share my UK side of the experience. So let's just get straight into it. So I started my TikTok shop officially back in around August. So I had set up a TikTok shop back in 2021, but I never went live. I never really promoted it and I didn't really know what I was doing. However, this year I actually started my TikTok shop. I have all of my products on our TikTok shop. I have sold on live and I have sold via videos, and I'm currently setting up the affiliate marketing side of TikTok shop. So you have 3 avenues to sell: TikTok shop via products, TikTok shop via lives, and then TikTok shop via affiliate marketing. So TikTok shop is its own world, and I really recommend that you go and just sit on TikTok and watch the live stream TikTok shops. You will find so many companies on there just packing orders live, demoing products. I myself actually worked as a presenter for a fashion brand on TikTok shop, so I kind of got to see the behind the scenes of how it works in the fashion world. So that kind of helped me when it came to doing my own lives on TikTok shop. So all in all, I have sold probably around 10 items, 10 orders in total from TikTok shop. I don't go live all the time. I've probably gone live about 5 times in total, and I really should do it more, but as you can see, I am a positive example for you guys that I've done it and I have made sales on this. Even though I'm not selling like a bunch on TikTok shop, I have done it myself. So I only thought it was right to share my experience and show you guys how you can do it too. I have a Shopify store and I recommend that you have your own Shopify store too. You don't want to just rely on TikTok shop. As I've mentioned in my past video, Shopify versus TikTok shop, I recommend that you have both. So first things first, you want to set up your Shopify store. If you don't know how to do that, definitely check out my whole Shopify playlist. Next, you are then going to want to have a TikTok business account. So you probably have a personal TikTok that you just use to watch all of your funny videos or whatever niche you're into. But now you want to start a business TikTok. So I think you can actually switch from a normal TikTok to a business TikTok. But if you're starting from scratch and you don't have a TikTok at all, just make sure you open a business TikTok. That is going to make it so much easier for you to set up your TikTok shop. So once you have your TikTok, you want to then go into your settings and you want to apply to be a seller. So you're going to be a TikTok seller, but you're going to be a business seller. It is super easy to apply, but you do need to have a few things in order. So you are going to want to have a LTD. So you want to have your business set up and running. Now, it may have changed now, but when I did apply, you did have to have a limited registered company. I'm not 100% sure. I will research before I edit this video and put it on the screen. If you can sell as a sole trader, I would think so, because some of the sellers I see on TikTok shop be looking real new, like they don't even have an LTD or anything. So you may be able to do it without being a limited company, but if you are a limited company, you will need to have evidence of your certificate of being incorporated. You will have to have some form of ID, I think, and then you also want to have a business address, which you can get from websites like UK Postbox, which I have down below, a 10% off discount. And then you also want to have a business bank account. Now, I also recommend Starling for business bank accounts. That is who I bank with. Make sure that you have all of the business lined up before you actually set up your TikTok shop. So once you have all of that in order and you have applied and you are accepted to open a store, you're going to be in the back end of TikTok shop, and it is pretty easy to navigate. It's similar to what an e-commerce store backend would look like. So you have the part where you can see all of your orders. You then have a part where you can upload your products. And here is when you're going to either connect with your Shopify store or you're going to do it manually. Now, when my Shopify store wasn't up and running back in August, I just added my products manually. So you simply just go through the form, you put the product name, the description, you upload your pictures of the products, put in the pricing, the shipping, and so on. So you could do it manually manually, or you can integrate it with your Shopify store. To do that, you want to head into Shopify and you want to add the TikTok app, and then you can kind of connect the two via the TikTok shop Seller Central. So once you have all of your products uploaded, now it's going to connect to your TikTok business account, and whatever you post on TikTok, you now can see. You have a little shop icon and you have a shop page on your TikTok account. It's super cool because you can actually be on the TikTok shop feed. People can look through your product catalog and they can just simply buy via that straight away. I find that I don't get sales from that quite just naturally at the moment, but I reckon that if you are like growing bigger following and your products get quite popular via sales, via your videos or lives, you might get pushed more by the algorithm. This isn't official, but I've just found that I've never really got sales just naturally via that search. So it's kind of like a Amazon where people can search for stuff to buy via TikTok shop, or they can come across your videos. Another way to sell is to, now when you upload your TikToks, you can actually, before you post the TikTok, you can add your products to the TikTok, so that when your video is live, there will be a little icon at the bottom with the product that is mentioned in that video. So I do a lot of videos demonstrating my satin pillowcases and satin bonnets, and now what I do is I just tag the product, which I do on Instagram and I do here on YouTube now, so it's pretty much the same across all platforms. But within TikTok, you can buy in the TikTok shop app. So when they click on the product, they're not leaving TikTok to go to your website, they're actually shopping via the TikTok shop. Now, why is that a good thing? That's a great thing because it doesn't put people off. They don't have to go through hoops to then buy. They can buy just straight within the TikTok app. A con to this is that you're not gathering people to your website. I do talk about the pros and cons more in my past video. I will put it down below. So it's really up to you what you decide. But I think as an online shop owner, I think you should kind of like just have your eggs in all of the baskets. So you're probably thinking, okay, if I list on TikTok shop, what are TikTok shop getting out of it? So they do take a 5% commission, but they do not charge you to use the platform. So Shopify have a monthly charge to use the platform, and they also take, I think it's like 1% and then about 65p or 25p per transaction, and that is just if you use Shopify payments and Shopify for the customer to check out. Now, if you're using TikTok shop, they simply take 5% off that sale, so that's all they do, and then you get paid the rest of that. I think that you should definitely, within your pricing, just make sure you incorporate what the cost would be if all of your products were on TikTok. And I do this within a spreadsheet that I probably will make for you guys soon, so look out for that. I do it, I'll show you guys my example on the screen, but I do have a method of working out my costs for TikTok, for Shopify, for if I'm selling using Klarna, ClearPay, all the different options, because you will be making a different amount of profit per transaction type and per platform. So now, how do you promote and get people to buy? Now that is, again, like I mentioned, via videos, affiliates, and going live. So let's just talk about the video side of things. So you want to make videos that are engaging, that have great hashtags like TikTok made me buy it. You want to get your videos actually on the For You page, and a way that you can see if your video is within that page, within that algorithm, you can check the top search bar, and if there is something in that search bar, you have made it into the kind of like TikTok world. If there isn't a search term, it's more than likely that TikTok won't push that video out as much. So you want to make sure that you are posting about a certain topic and you're very targeted on that topic. For example, I post about curly hair, satin pillowcases, hair accessories, but I usually get the search term either satin bonnet, satin pillowcase, or maybe curly hair. So I know that if I am adding that in my keywords, in my hashtags, and on the actual video itself, I'm more than likely to actually get within the algorithm for that topic. So you want to make sure that you're utilizing all of the extra SEO that TikTok has for when you are uploading your videos, and make sure of course that you're tagging the product in the video. Now let's talk about going live. So live streams, you can go live on TikTok and you can do a TikTok shop live. So that basically means when you are live, there is a shop at the bottom of your live and people can shop while they're watching you talk about the product or ship the product while you're on live. So a lot of people like to pack orders. Think of it as your like personal QVC. So this is your opportunity to sell to the world. And what I love about TikTok live is that you will get people just randomly coming into your live, and you can see this for yourself if you just go onto the live section of TikTok and scroll through the lives, because you will come on random companies' live streams, and if you like what you see, you could end up buying. And that's happened to me. I've had people that would have never come across Oh So Curly. They just was on TikTok scrolling at that certain time. So you're going to capture a whole new audience, which is what I love about TikTok Shop Live. Now it's recommended that you go live for at least an hour. I actually got the best results when I went live for 2 hours, but let me tell you guys, that was a lot. I might do a separate video on live tips, but I just say, just be yourself, try and be confident on the live, be engaging. You can play music in the background as well, just to make you feel a little bit more confident and comfortable. Talk to the people that are commenting on your live. Don't watch the numbers, because it will spike and then it will go down. Like you might have one viewer in your live, and you have to just keep the same energy throughout the live. Also, don't have to show your face on live. So if you're someone that doesn't want to be on camera, you can just simply show your hands doing what you're doing, showing your product and speaking about it. Definitely recommend lives. Also within TikTok Shop Seller Central, you will see missions. So they actually reward you for going live more, and they will give you certain discounts to give to your customers. When a customer is watching you on live, they will get coupons. So they will even see maybe like say 30% off for their first order with you. This is nothing you've done on your side, it's all on TikTok side, and it doesn't affect you. So if you are listing your product for £50 and then the customer pays £20, you still get the £50. So this is amazing. I really love that about TikTok Shop. I don't know how long they're going to manage to do that, but I'll take it. I definitely recommend you take a look into your mission. So the last way that you can sell is via affiliates. So TikTok Shop have their own like affiliate marketing section within the Shop Seller Central, and here you can actually search for TikTok influencers. You can see who's ranking highest, who is selling the most within your sector, whether it's health and beauty, whether it is pet, whether it's home. You can see who the top sellers are within that category, and you can reach out to them. You can set out commissions. There's a whole load of things. I could do a whole video just on the affiliate marketing side of things, but when you do recruit affiliates, they basically sell those products for you via their own TikTok content, and then they get paid a commission from that sale. So again, you want to make sure your pricing is right, guys. We want to sell, but we want to make a profit when we sell too. So make sure you are costing everything out effectively. Shipping. Now for shipping, basically what happens within TikTok Shop is you have your Shop Seller Central app, and that's what's going to tell you when you have orders in real time. So you get an order, someone buys via your TikTok, well done. So the order notification will come through. It will tell you who the customer is. It won't give you their email address. It will tell you the customer's address, their number, and what they ordered, and then you can go ahead and either order the shipping manually, or you can do it via the TikTok fulfillment, which I don't use. I use Raw Mail, so I do it myself. You can also integrate it with your Shopify, so any orders that come through from TikTok Shop is like integrated with your Shopify inventory, so it will update how much inventory you have. I hope this is making sense. So you can keep an eye on your inventory across all platforms, and then you also can connect to your Raw Mail click and drop. That means that basically your order comes through and then it also goes into click and drop. So when you log into your Raw Mail click and drop account, you will see all your TikTok orders, and you will also see all your Shopify orders, and you can basically buy all of the shipping for every order from all platforms. So I really love that about Click and Drop, because everything is in one place. Now, once you have bought your shipping, all you have to do is update it within TikTok Shop. It might happen automatically. If it doesn't, you would just have to put the tracking number into the TikTok Shop order. So it's very, very similar to any online platform when it comes to orders and fulfillment. But the only thing is you don't have their email address. They will get contacted, and it's like TikTok doing it for you. You don't have to manage any of that stuff. Next, let's talk about getting paid. So TikTok Shop, at first, they do not, pay out very quickly. So the better you are, the more orders you get, the quicker that you fulfill your orders, they will shorten the payout time. But when you are new, you will have like up to 14 days to wait until you pay out. And that is once the customer receives the package. So that is a tricky one. So if you're starting from scratch and you're thinking of selling on TikTok Shop, you are going to need to have a reserve of money there waiting that you can use to pay for shipping until TikTok pay you back. Just keep that in mind if you are new and you don't have any budget for starting a TikTok Shop. You need to have money aside so that you can pay for the shipping. Now, the payout just goes straight to your bank account like how it does with Shopify, and you'll just see TikTok on your bank statement and they'll pay you the money from the order. You can also manage this within the finances side of the TikTok Shop Seller Central. It will tell you when your payouts are coming, it will have all of your invoices, and it will break down what the commissions are and how much you got paid and what the customer paid. So that is pretty much TikTok Shop in a nutshell. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Definitely let me know down below if you have any further questions. I do have a link for TikTok Shop down below, and also for Shopify and any other apps that I've mentioned. I recommend you follow us on TikTok, which is at oso.shannon, so you can catch our lives and you can see the kind of videos that I'm posting to actually get sales via TikTok. If you've just started, comment your shop down below so I can check it out. As always, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.